Setting up HR software without an IT guy might sound intimidating, but trust me, it's easier than you think. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll walk you through how to set up your HR software from scratch, without needing to call in the tech team. And the best part, you won't need to be a tech expert to do it. The first step is choosing the right HR software. There are plenty of options out there, but not all of them are easy to set up. After testing a few of the most popular ones, I've found a software that's incredibly user-friendly and perfect for those who want a simple setup without any IT headaches. And as a special bonus for you, I've got an exclusive free trial for the software we'll be using, linked in the description below, so be sure to grab it if you want to follow along. Once you've selected the software, the next step is creating your account. This part is straightforward. Just head to the software's website, click on the sign up button, and enter your details. If you're setting up the software for a team, make sure to have your company information ready, like your number of employees and your business's tax ID. This will help you set up the software in a way that's tailored to your company's needs. Next, it's time to add your employees. Most HR software will prompt you to upload a spreadsheet of employee information or enter it manually. If you're uploading a spreadsheet, make sure it's formatted correctly. Most systems will provide a template to follow, so you don't have to worry about formatting issues. Once your employees are added, the software will allow you to assign roles and permissions, which is key to ensuring that the right people have access to the right tools. The third step is setting up payroll. You'll need to input your pay schedule, tax information, and other necessary details to ensure that everything runs smoothly when payday rolls around. The good news is that most HR software will walk you through this process step by step. If the software offers integration with tax services or accounting software, make sure to connect them. This will save you a lot of time down the line. Next, we'll move on to setting up employee benefits. In most HR software, this is just a matter of selecting the benefits you want to offer and then entering the details. Whether it's healthcare, retirement plans, or other perks, the software will allow you to manage all of these in one place. You can even automate notifications to employees when open enrollment periods are coming up. Now, it's time for customization. Depending on the software, you can personalize the dashboard, set up reports, and even create custom workflows. This is where you can tailor the system to your company's needs. Whether you need to track attendance, performance, or training, customizing your HR software can make it work even better for you. Once everything is set up, be sure to test the system. Run through a few mock payrolls, check if employee info is updating correctly, and make sure the reporting features are working as expected. This way, if there's anything that needs fixing, you'll catch it before it's time to use the software for real. Key takeaway: setting up HR software without an IT guy is all about choosing the right software, following the step-by-step setup process, and customizing it to suit your needs. With the right software, it's easier than ever to handle HR tasks with confidence. To recap, choose the right software, create your account, add your employees, set up payroll and benefits, customize the system to your needs, and test it all out before going live. Don't forget, I recommend taking advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description. It's a great way to try the software risk-free and see if it works for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.